Hi, welcome back.
So let me start by saying I'm not a dentist, but I have to sleep with these dental night guards because I grind my teeth at night. And because of these night guards are quite expensive, they cost in the neighborhood of $100 each at a dentist. I've been seeing dentists all over the world, say in Georgia, in Albania, in Vietnam, in Cambodia, in Hong Kong, in Thailand. Many dentists. I had many night guards done because I have what we call bad English teeth. Had an implant done recently in the tooth here. And I just came back from Cambodia where I had some crowns done. The dentist was kind enough to give me all the materials, everything that was used for making the crowns. This dentist also back in the day recommended me. He said, why am I paying so much money for night guards when I can just buy the machine and make them myself? So this time I could say to the dentist, thank you so much for your advice. Look what I did, doctor. So this is the little machine.
No problem.
That's a nice trick.
And I'm very happy and proud to say that this machine saved me many $1,000s.
14!
$50,000? $80 million?
Put your plastic in here, lift it up. There's a lamp underneath to heat it up. But before that, you need to take 2 of these bubbles, open them up, mix them together, mold them into here, one of these trays. I have every size possible. I have the soft night guard, I have the hard night guard. I have 1mm, or is it 1.5? I have many sizes. And all this equipment cost less than $1,000 for sure, maybe in the neighborhood of $300 more like it. So the first thing is I'll make a lower this time. This is my lower, and then I need to get my lower into stand here. That's where we say thank you to Mrs. H2S for coming and hold the camera.
Why so slow?
You're boring. Sorry, am I boring you? You're really fucking boring. So if you could come round every night and talk to me for 5 minutes and then sneak out as I slip into a coma, that would be really good.
And then I take 1.5 about millimeter soft.
Just do it.
Man, if something happens, it's your fault.
I know.
That's nice.
Really?
Yes.
Excellent.
It is important that this is aligned properly so it doesn't snap when we pull it onto the mold.
Order and chaos aligned.
Teeth? Wait a minute.
English.
Damn!
So far so good. And then we need to turn on the heat and wait for a moment. We will be back once it starts to warm up. And there's the machine, not much bigger than a little coffee machine. Thing is heating up now. It takes about 2-3 minutes. I normally make a few at a time, so once it's hot, it stays hot for a while, but still recommend turning it off. So let's take a look. It's very hard to see in here, but it is turning red. And then when we look at the plastic from beneath, we're looking for it starting to bubble. You'll see all sorts of shapes happening, but it needs to bubble. You will end up wasting a few pieces of plastic, but after that you should be all good. Make sure you get that heat properly and correct.
Save money, yeah, save money.
I know, it's hard.
It's not that hard.
Starting to warm up now, and I see some bubble forming. So this could be the time to go. Let's try it.
Okay, yes. Yes, you can.
Yes, absolutely.
Squeeze it down upon the mold. And turn on the vacuum. Leave the vacuum on for a while. Turn the lamp away. Now you see, it is very tightly hugging the teeth.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
A great success.
That's wonderful.
Then all we have to do is let it cool down for a moment and prepare for the next step. So a minute or two later it's cooled down, so time to release it.
Oh, okay.
This is not easy with one hand, but as you can see, we lift this up and let me just take it out, show you. So this is what it looks like after coming out of the machine. So now all we need is some scissors first, and then I like to use a scalpel to trim it really neat. This one is a bit thin, but it's not a problem even it's a bit thin. It's thin is good. They don't last that long, but it's gonna be a nice night guard for a couple of weeks, maybe a month, before I chew through it like I normally do.
Eat it!
Let's get to trimming. Well, trimming has begun. It's gonna take a moment,
Cut it out!
but it's gonna look nice after a while. So finally,
You like it?
final step, it's been trimmed.
Fine.
So time to take it off and check it out.
Fantastic.
And this is it.
Fantastic.
Like I said, this one is very thin,
Thin.
but it's got a nice snug fit. And because it's thin, it's going to be absolutely comfortable to wear. A little bit of more trimming to do and then it's all good. So that was how I make my dental night guards. That could be better. That is how I make my dental night guards. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to subscribe. And have a great day, and never forget to smile.